Still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of
Sheffield Explorer. So this is Dubai
you're
at
the
night.
one I can't let go. In your
Natatawa lang si Uncle Sheffield.
find my home.
May paano, 90.7.
90.7 ba siyang
Dreaming of every moment with you. Feels
What's up?
like
What's
a
up?
gift from above.
We are here at JBR, part of Dubai. So binabaybay natin ito guys. Traffic. Time check. It's 11:28 in the evening. So you are tuning in at Bushang 90.7 Tundang Radio. Ayan, with us is Uncle Sheffy the Adventurer, Mom Jen Alonso. What can you say about Dubai at night?
Dubai is
Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of every moment with
Sir Papadi, kumusta ka naman dyan? May powers pa ba?
above.
May powers.
Forever and always your
parang Makati na.
your love I find
Mahirap maghanap ng parking there. Kawawa na yung aming driver.
I feel alive with you I soar and thrive.
Sagot mo dun sa balitang iyon, Uncle Sheffy.
In the skies in your love
Russian? Anong masasabi mo?
it's you I'm dreaming of.
Flexible,
It's like a gift
Flexible?
all around.
Oh my God! all around.
always you're the one
How is it? How's the... Ayan, si Ma'am Jen Alonso, nakikinig-kinig lang. Ayan, to the million listeners. Sir, what's the answer? Ayan.
Kapayapaan at JBR. Boom.
Hi guys! Nandito daw kami sa, GBR?
ABR.
Hi guys, we're here at JBR, Jumeirah Beach Residence, together with Miss Jean Alonso from Inglaterra and Madame Bushia from Abu Dhabi and Uncle Sheffy the Explorer from Sharjah. And of course, it's me, your Papa D from Dubai. We are
Kapayapaan. Kapayapaan.
Mag-iikot ngayon.
Wala na ba kayo?
Medyo busy night tong time na to. You know, ang oras dito is 11:30 na pero ang daming tao. Kasi it's holiday dito. At saka itong JBR na to, kahit medyo mainit dito, marami talagang namamasyal, nag-iikot na iba-ibang nationality dito. At syempre, nakikita niyo yung paligid talagang ayan, ang dami. Yung Dubai nga lang sarado, yun yung malaking bilog na yan, yung Dubai, yan yung sarado, patay yung ilaw. Yung Dubai na meron sila sa Inglaterra noon, ang tawag London Eye.
Dubai Eye is closed.
Close, nag-close kasi.
Is that really fun?
You know, but
But?
close. Why no coming? No coming.
No coming. It's closed eh.
So ngayon, mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito.
Let's go there.
Bala, gusto mo pa rin sa buhanginan ha? Talagang gusto mong safari ha? So ayan na sila. Nabitin sila sa Dubai Safari, sa paglalakad sa buhangin. So ito naman, sa dagat naman, pagkatapos ng safari. Ayan. So may kita nila ng malapitan ng In Dubai. Ayan, pero walang ilaw kasi inaayos pa rin hanggang ngayon. So JBR is isa sa mga busy na place din kahit normal day or ito holiday ngayon kaya maraming tao. Ayan. Kasi itong lugar na to is lugar ng mga European, mga Russian, and also lugar ng mga gimikan din to. Maraming mga bars. Ayan. So ito sila naglalakad-lakad. Ayun si Uncle Sheppy. Nag-video na rin siya para sa kanyang vlog. So si Miss Jean Alonso at si Madam Busyang, ayan, naglalakad-lakad sila.
My heart beats with every thought of you.
Kasi alam na yun. Pero yung ganyan.
You're the one I can't let go. In your arms, I find my home.
Amazing buildings.
Sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above.
Ayan sila guys, naglalakad.
You're the one I adore. In your love, I find
Salita ka dyan, may music. Ayan, may music na naman. So, kahit salita ko ng salita dito, ma-off ka rin. CCPR ka pa rin.
Papatungan mo naman.
Pero hindi na marinig yung boses ko. Cheesecake Factory. Ano yan? Different kind of cheese?
you're the one I adore. In your love, a love story. In every story, you're like a light in your eyes. I see
Pare-pareho yung vlog namin, guys. Ayan, nandito ako naglalakad. Kasama ko yung aking si Madam Basyang. Oo. Kaya lang, kung sunduin ko si DSM, malayo.
So guys, our madam is here. Nandito kami sa Paparoni. Uncle Sheffy also. So we are here at Paparoni. Basa likod, no? So we're here. Oh my gosh, sana all basa. Saan tayo, Sir Papadi?
So we are here at Paparotti, JBR. So tayo magka-coffee. Alas 12 lang midnight. Lagi kami sa initan. Mga kami dito. Kasi ang lamig pa. Ang black.
Sino yung kasama natin?
Si Miss Inglaterra, Gina. At si Uncle
Uncle Chefy. Oo.
Watch and learn.
Watch. Team Kapayapa. Oh, may bago na, may bago. Ay, ay, ay.
Singapore parent mo. Kasi Inglaterra tawag din.
Ayan. Ang order natin, guys.
And 61 for one piece.
Ha?
You will buy the bag.
Kasi whole day tayo nasa labas.
That's it.
Ay, iba naman yung aking napusukan. Uy, ano ba yun, madam? So guys, busy talaga kami. Ayan guys, so sinong pinagkakabisihan natin dyan, sir?
Si Jelly 27.
Nag-grabe shout out ng Jelly 27. So, nandito lang kami. Ayan. Ayan din, no? O, diba? Ang Jelly 27. While waiting our coffee.
Naka-YouTube pa rin.
Naka-YouTube pa din! Itong phone na to naka-support to eh. Kaso lang, madam, akin na tong phone muna at mag-video muna tayo. So, this is it.
YouTube is life.
Ayan. Kapayapaan!
Dito sa bayan. Okay lang po. Sa bayan daw siya.
Ayan.
Ano ba?
Paparotti.
Paparotti with Papa D. BC. How is it, Papa D?
Daming question.
Daming questions. Oh, ayan. Hello. You like it?
And let's try it. And the taste. Mamma mia.
Ay, grabe. May pamamamia talaga. May pamamamia. Ito. Tingnan natin. Habis ito. May pakindat-kindat while supporting Madam Jelly 27. So, here we are.
Don't forget
Like.
Like and share. Like and share.
Generalizes
This is Kinaloso Vlog, Papa D, the Chefy Explorer, and
Michelle 18.
say bye everyone.
See you in the next vlog.
see you next episode. Boom.